குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநீலியம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. The first question, moon karma in 6th house. Answer, moon karaha organ left eye, blood, stomach, food, digestion, health, disorder problem related to food intake, digestive disorder. Next, in mental problem, food poisoning or blood related problem, lack of nutrients in blood, blood not properly purified, water related problem, freedom problem. All these are problems related to moon karma. Bharani, Maham, Ketai, Uttaratadi moon karma. Sixth lord in horoscope is associated with the moon karma. Sixth bhava by sitting in this star. What kind of connection should be all these have to do with Chandran karma, health, disorder, even the sixth sign? Seventh lord is in sixth bhava, sixth lord is in seventh bhava. This is the lunar karma record. Health disorder related to moon karma is the next rule to contact in the sixth bhava. Chandra karma, many feasting planets, Venus, Rahu in sixth houses in horoscope. Rahu sitting, Venus, Rahu sitting with sixth lord, moon related health disorder. Moon is karma if the sixth lord is in Virgo and Libra. Stomach related problem for them 7. These two bhavas are due to moon karma connection. Venus Rahu conjunct the sixth lord with the sixth bhava. These three are the main relationship. If two of them are related, then food poisoning, stomach indigestion, water related problem, film related problem, blood related problem, mind related problem will be inherited for this horoscope. That's all. Next, health disorder related to Rahu karma. Answer, DB wheezing related health disorder, lungs cancer, profuse growth of tumor related allergy, breathing related problem. How to find it? Using our horoscope. If lung problem comes, piles are related to this problem. Rahu karma sign Jupiter planet, Rahu karma sign star Pusam, Visagam, Sadayam, and ninth bhava, ninth lord combination. All these are related to Rahu karma sign, Sagittarius sign and Sagittarius house. If related Rahu karma registration is related, then the family has Rahu karma related to respiratory problems, intestinal piles, tumors related to tumors. Who will be affected by this now? 1. Jupiter is in 6th house or Jupiter is with 6th lord in horoscope. Number 2. 6th lord sitting in Sagittarius house. Number 3. The 6th lord is sitting in Pusam, Visagam, Sadayam stars. Number 4. 6th lord is in 9th house. 9th lord is sitting in 6th house. 6-9 conjunct if vision is present. Health disorder due to Rahu karma registration is DNA. Genetic registration is DNA genetic formula. If Jupiter or 9th lord is in Lagna, Rahu has karmic record. That's all. Next, additive health disorder 611. Answer, 6th bhava Saturn, moon karma, planet Mercury, Rahu. The 11th sign is Mars and the karmic planet is Saturn. 6-11 being together, Saturn sitting in 6th lord, Saturn sitting with 6th lord sitting in Aquarius, correlation for this. Mars with karmic sign stars Kartigai, Burabhadra, Revati, planet Saturn, house Aquarius, Bhava 11th. Mars health disorder nature, bone spines, joints, muscle spasms, problems caused by head. Lagna sign star Mars karma significance for the horoscope or his family related health disorder related to Mars karma. Health damage year related problem, all this indicating planet Saturn Mars karma 11th bhava Aquarius house. If Saturn is in 6th house, Sixth lord is in Aquarius. Sixth lord is in 11th house or 11th lord is in 6th or 6th. 11th is conjunct or 6th lord is sitting in star with Mars karmic sign, then their health will be affected by Mars karmic sign. Year related problem 3, 6, 11, which is Mars karmic sign contact. That's all. Next, cervical problem for women. Answer: kidney, uterine, chest, urogenital problem, reproductive organ problem, gender related problem, kidney problem, urinary tract problem is caused by Venus. Such a problem will exist in the family in which the Venus karma sign are Tiruvadirai, Chittirai, Tiruvonam. Lagna Lord star in their hereditary bloodline family there is a hereditary health disorder with Venus karma record. Number 1. The 8th lord of the 6th house is the 6th house of the 8th house lord. Number 2. If the 6th lord Tiruvadirai, Chittirai, Tiruvonam sits in malefic star. Number 3. If the 6th lord and the 8th lord are in a different house, especially 6, 7, 8, in which 6, 8 are together being in the 7th house. 6, 7 together in 7, 8 together in 6. This 6, 7, 8 combinations will be affected by Venus karmic record. Number 4. Among them, 6, 7, 8 relationship combinations are related to sinful relationships, and those with Venus karma record will have health problems. That's all. Next, Mercury is the organ that can tell karma. Answer: there will be skin and nervous system and related problem. The stars with Saturn karmic record are Punarpusam, Swadi, Avitam. The stars of Mercury karmic record are Rohini, Uttiram, Puradam. It is related to both. Sixth sign has Saturn karma registration. There is no sign in Mercury karmic record. Genetic correlation. Mercury plus Saturn karmic sign correlation. Saturn paralyzes. All Karagatva that paralyzes a person is Saturn Karaga. Disability, polio, disability, inability to walk. Whatever damage a person cannot stand up and work is Saturn karma. A broken bone causes the inability to walk, which is controlled by the nervous system. Her nervous system is paralyzed and she cannot function. Mercury, god of nervous system. Any lineage with Mercury karma has nervous system problems. If these nervous problems affects him and makes him unable to function and perform his activities, Mercury plus Saturn karmic record will be mixed. Nervous breakdown, sudden amnesia, neurological disorder, brain damage due to neurological problems, inability to walk, common activities will not stop. But if there is a major neurological disorder, he will not be able to do any of his daily routine activities. It is Saturn that paralyzes one. It is Mercury that does it through the nervous system. These two karmic records are Mercury and Saturn. Virgo house, Mercury owns house, ruling house, Mooladrigona house. Mercury is the exalted house. This house is cursed by Saturn or the Mercury Saturn conjunction. Mercury planet Revati born in Saturn Revati star Mars karma sign. This is the close connection of Mercury and Saturn. It has a 1-to-1 relationship. Subtly communicated its unity. Mercury, Saturn, Mars, these three work in harmony with each other. Mercury, Saturn, and Mars karma records are different for these three, but they work together, paralyzing someone, making them sit in one place, unable to walk at a young age, freezing the nervous system due to trauma, and immobilizing arms, legs, body, fear. The sign that can be sight of that fear is the eighth sign. Saturn is the Karaka planet for eighth bhava. One reason is that Saturn is affected. But why does his nervous system become inactive in fear? Because Saturn is cursed by Mercury. Saturn Mars karma triple contact has arrived. This is great internal communication, Sanjaram. If the sixth lord is in the sixth house is Saturn karma, now working with Saturn can limit this. Saturn work is to paralyze the child so that he cannot walk, run or function at a young age. He will do this even if the sixth lord is ruling the sixth bhava. What is the relationship between this and the nervous system? Mercury karma register. Mercury plus Saturn karma register is a harmony, and what will these do two together in the family? Then the third bhava, which can be said to be is physical body, having 3, 6, 11 associated with grammar. Planet Mercury associated with the sixth sign, associated with third sign. Lagna 3, 6, 11 associated with such systems. Horoscope should be very careful in the matters of nervous systems. Some people are born with the twisting of the nerve that causes curvature of the spinal cord. Congenital hand webbing, congenital clubfoot, and those with this defect, such as sarcoid or deformity. If appearance is low or high, 1, 3, 6, 11 will be this contact combination. It is a rule. Number 1. 3, 6 Mercury's association with the sign. Number 2. 6th bhava, 6th lord, Rohini, Uttiram, Puradam stars being in Mercury dosha. Number 3. Lagna Mercury plus Saturn being in star with karmic record. Number 4. 1, 6 any of these two signs is associated with Mercury karma. Number 5. If 3, 6, 11 come together, they have problems such as rheumatic arthritis related to the nerve in the body, problems of the bones depending on it, and bending of the bones at birth. 3, 6, 11 these three bhavas are associated with Lagna. 3, 6 Mercury's association with sign. That's all. Next, problems related to teeth. Answer. Mars karma, Saturn karma combination of two Krashoots, Kartigai, Puram and Revati. Mars karma, Punarpusam, Swadi and Avitam Saturn karma. If these two karmas are together in a family, the problem related to teeth will be in that family. If the problem is related to teeth, Mars Saturn karma sign 1, 2, 6, 11. If the lords are in conjunction with each other with these three signs, they will have problems related to teeth. And if there is direct or indirect vision combination, there will be multiple problems. Also, if there is star combination with the Saturn Mars karmic record, vigor is high. Number 2. Saturn Mercury conjunction with 6th bhava or Saturn Mercury aspecting 6th bhava with 2, 6, 11 combination. If there is more vigor, don't be careless when it comes to teeth. Number 3. Aquarius sign Lagna if Saturn is placed with this 2, 6, 11. These people should also be careful. Number 4. Having 2, 11 combination from Saturn is Lagna, there is a dental problem. That's all. Next, which of the 5 senses is affected by? Answer. 6, 11 decomposition without functioning of any one organ paralyzed which of the five senses is disabled? Eye, ear, nose, mouth, throat, any of these five senses. If any organ is not functioning, 611 communication addition. Strength, Mars is the god of movement. If the Mars sign and the Saturn sign are in the same family, then one of the members of the family is not functioning or is disabled or tied in some way. 611 Saturn Mercury aspected by conjunctive conjunction. 611 Lord is associated with the sign or where the eye contacts is from related defect, problem of inability to speak, hearing, blind, deaf, dumb, etc. Non-functioning of any of the organs in the body is the third sign, which can be referred to as physical body. A third sign is to be permanently disabled or disabled by an accident. 3-6 Bhava also admission. There is an assumption that water signs Cancer. Scorpio and Pisces are thumb signs. Eye, mouth, second sign. Eye plus mouth, third sign. In this, there was Saturn, Mars karmic sign. In that family, they will not be able to speak due to throat problems. Eye related problems will remain inactive. Body rest 3-6-11. In these three conjunctions, whoever is associated with the second bhava has Saturn and Mars associated with the stars. See if there is an ilum there 2-3-6-11 etc. are also involved. There will be this problem in the family with Mars Saturn karmic chart 2-3-6-11. She had 2 Otary position Jupiter connection. Organ disorder, no movement, Mars Saturn connection. With which Bhava 3-6-11 joins means lack of movement. It has many clauses. This is only superficial information and has a lot of subsections. That's all. Next, disability, a limb in the body, dysfunction defect. Answer 3-6-11 if associated with second sign. Problem related to mouth. Sun karma that can affect the eyes. Ashwini, Ashilesha, Anuradha, Purvabhadra, Sun Karma, significator given planet Kedu. House of Pisces, 11th sign, 11th Lord. If Lagana Lord, stars, sign star, Sun Karma comes, Pisces sign Lagana houses in which the Lord of the Laganam stands. If Kedu is in Lagana, Sun is Karma or Lagana Lord also Kedu is in 12th Lord. If there is 2-3-6-11 combination from Sun Karma sign, there is eye disorder. 3-6-11 Kedu joining is the 12th sign. 12th Lord combination 3-6-11-12. 3-12 Mercury. 3 Kedu Mercury Saturn. No matter what this relationship matrix combination is, the Sun is the karma effect affected eyesight. That's all. Thank you.